Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I show you how to make paratha liquid dough egg milk. First steps, we will use a large bowl. Put 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Then stir it slowly. Put 1 cup of milk. Pour gradually, slowly stir it. After mixing, let's put it aside for a moment. Let's get a small bowl that we will use for the eggs. We need 2 eggs. Crack it one by one. Put it together in a bowl and mix it up. Pour it into the flour mixed with other ingredients. Slowly mixing. Slowly mixing, guys. Then use the hand whisk. We need a pan. Grease the pan with oil. It just needs to be a little thin. Cover it for 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Actually guys, this is my own version of making paratha. It is quite sweet. If you don't like sweet, just reduce the sugar. Instead of 1/2 cup, make it 1 to 2 tablespoons. I recommend it to you. You must try it. It tastes great and is easy to cook for breakfast. That's all for today guys. Thank you for watching. God bless us. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell below. Thank you so much. Bye bye.